Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer invoices with QuickBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening QuickBooks on your computer. Log in to your QuickBooks account using your credentials. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the Sales menu located on the left side. From the Sales menu, click on Invoices. In the Invoices section, locate and select the invoice you wish to transfer. If you need to transfer multiple invoices, check the boxes next to each invoice. Next, click on the More option at the bottom of the invoice list. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Batch Actions. From the Batch Actions menu, select Send to transfer the invoices. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's email address. Type in the email address of the person you're sending the invoices to. Add any additional message if needed to communicate specific details. After reviewing the recipient's information, click the Send button. QuickBooks will then send the invoices directly to the specified email address. You will see a confirmation message once the transfer is complete. To check the status of your sent invoices, go back to the Invoices section. Look for a column that indicates the status of each invoice. This will help you verify that the invoices were successfully sent. If there are any issues, you can return to the invoice and resend if necessary. That concludes the process of transferring invoices with QuickBooks. You can now easily manage your invoices and keep your clients informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.